Hey, thank you for watching. In this video, I will be sharing with you my version of elote. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but this is a Mexican street food which is very famous, and the way they make the corn is almost similar to my province in the Philippines. We grill the corn, only we add salt sometimes, but the Mexican street food, they add more flavor, or they add more into it, so it's more flavorful. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use. We have corn, and we are going to use chili powder. We are going to use cilantro. I just love cilantro so much. Butter, and then we are going to need, this one is the Mexican cheese, the Cotija cheese. It is a salty-ish type of cheese. And here I am using the cream cheese. This is my version, okay? So I'm using whatever I like. So here we are going to just crumble the Cotija cheese, which is very easy. And then just use as much as you like. The ingredients here, I do not have a measurement because this is just really your personal preference. If you like more butter, just add butter as much as you like, cheese or whatever it is, okay? So just adjust to your desired taste or to your desired liking. Alright, now we are going to grill our corn. Now the one I have eaten when there's party, it is steam or boiled, but this one I like to grill my corn just the way we used to do in my province. So I grill it, and as soon as the corn turns brown, just like what you see in the video, that is pretty much done. Just constantly flip it so it cooks, it cooks nicely. It cooks really fast. So yep, look at that. That's so pretty. It's dark brown. That's the way you want it. So now that the corn is done, it is time to add those other ingredients. So first, here's the batter that I melted in the microwave, and we are just going to brush the corn. Brush as much as you want. Now here, this is where adjust to your liking or personal preference. I am using cream cheese here because yep, someone here does not like mayonnaise except in the coleslaw. The one I've eaten or the one that I've known is they really put mayonnaise or sour cream, but as always we are going to tweak it to our liking. So yep, I am putting cream cheese. It goes well also, so you can put mayonnaise, sour cream, or cream cheese, so whatever you guys like. After the cream cheese, we are going to sprinkle it with the Cotija cheese, the crumbled Cotija cheese. Sprinkle as much as you like. This is a bit salty-ish, so probably you should try it first before sprinkling. Give it a taste test. Next is we are going to add some chili powder. That is just smells so good, the chili powder. Next is we are going to top it off with cilantro. I just really love this one, but this is optional. If you don't like cilantro, you can just skip this one, and that's it. It's done, and all you have to do is just give it a big bite and enjoy. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really give it a try. This is really good. So thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.